My. It's been quite some time since I've had a visitor in my garden. A weary traveler you are, yes? By all means, you may rest here for as long as you'd like. Perhaps you'd be interested in a story, a tale that takes place from beyond this realm itself, one that I had a hand in forging together. Open your mind to creation, the story of a new beginning. Life in a new world, forged together by the simplest constructs known within the vast universe. This is their home. Azure. This was meant to be a new start, a perfect world. But, like all other creations, there are bound to be variables that take form through the light and darkness of the world. As the mortals went through their cycles of death and rebirth, the reapers would always follow. And yet, even with the common enemy standing in front of them, there would be those from within who would betray their own kind, chasing after power and delusions of grandeur. Conflict and war raged on for control over the keystones. Was it a mistake to bless mortals with small fragments of our power? I yearned to understand why they would cause destruction to one another. But alas, we must stay in our own realms, only to watch as they cause more and more harm every day. We had to make compromise. Only a selected few would be chosen to wield the power of the gods themselves to maintain balance. But even then, our own actions would have dire consequences that would reverberate throughout the course of history. Some things shouldn't be the way that they are. But in the end, this is all but a story they must continue to write for themselves.